What's good, guys? My name is Malik Glover, and you're watching Everyday Titans.
Man, it's going to be weird finally having a full day of school. What's up, Titans? It's Monday, February 4th. I'm Karina Solorzano, and you're watching Everyday Titan. We'd like to thank Advanced TV Media student Hiron Esquivel for that sick new intro. It's Black History Month, and for this month, we'll be giving you some quick tidbits about Black history. Today in 1913, Rosa Parks was born. Also, today in 1960, 4 black college students began a sit-in protest against racial discrimination after they refused service in a lunch counter in Greensboro, North Carolina. While you're letting that fact sink in, let's get right into the announcements. Mini Howard campus is hosting open houses for prospective rising 9th graders on February 7th and April 11th. Learn more about how Mini Howard and tour the campus. For more information, contact Ms. Patricia Williamson at the email below. Please join the counseling team tomorrow for the annual academic orientation and curriculum night. This is a great opportunity to learn about some of the exciting offerings our rising 9th through 12th grade Titans begin the course selection process. To give you an idea of what some of these classes are like, we will be featuring vignettes of some of these classes. To start us off, let's have a glimpse of what the TV media is all about.
I like the class because I get a lot of college credit, and it's really fun to do, and there's a lot of great people in this class.
So we're currently setting up all the different lights because we're not shooting in the studio as normally because we have an interview with a guest today.
This is how we just basically change in between the different inputs and cameras that we have. So you just basically click auto and it'll fade it. Or you can just cut, and this way we can hook it up to the Mac, we can hook it up to our graphics, basically anything.
So anything that's on here is gonna show up on the TV. Right now I'm just looking at the script because the script, it has the timeline of what graphics is gonna go next.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thanks to TV Media Production 4 students for creating that awesome video. If you like what you see and want to know more about it, contact your guidance counselor. Or better yet, come see for yourself what we do here. Make sure to check back in tomorrow for another elective class video. The 3rd annual Parent Social Meeting will be at Pork Barrel Barbecue on February 11th from 6 to 9 p.m. The barbecue will benefit the T.C. Williams All-Night Grad Party. The PTSA's annual alcohol-free senior celebration is a fun-filled night with great prizes and activities. The conversation with the superintendent has been postponed for Wednesday, February 6th at 6 p.m. It will be held at T.C. Williams High School at the King Street campus cafeteria. DECA is hosting this year's annual student versus staff basketball game. This year, the game will take place right after school at 3:30 in the Garden on February 6th. There will be snacks for sale, a halftime half-court shot, raffles, and more. You don't want to miss this. The Marine Conservation Club will be having a meeting after school tomorrow in room A218. Come by to learn how you can support their efforts to protect marine wildlife here in Alexandria. Congratulations to Advanced TV Media and Advanced Photography student Autumn Basara. Her piece has been selected along with other TC student entries as part of the Alexandria All-City High School Art Exhibition. The exhibit also includes works from students from Bishop Ireton, Commonwealth Academy, Episcopal High School, Howard Gardner School, and St. Stephen's St. Agnes Upper School. It starts on February 1st until March 30, with a reception on February 22nd. Their pieces will be exhibited at the Convergence located in 1801 North Quaker Lane, Alexandria, Virginia. Last Friday, January 25th, TC's cosmetology students competed in this year's Skills USA District 5 Cosmetology Fantasy Competition. Senior Monica Funes came in first place and received a gold medal with a trophy. Monica will now move on to compete at the state level at Virginia Beach. A big shout out to Nikki Daldwell, our cosmetology teacher. Congratulations to Miss Beulah Willis-Brown, one of our business teachers. She has been nominated for a Life Changer of the Year award. This award is offered through the National Life Corporation Insurance and Annuities Company. The company established the program to recognize educators who are making life-changing impacts on students' lives, inside and out of school. Ms. Willis-Brown is TC's lead econ and personal finance teacher. We'd like to make a correction to one of our announcements on Thursday's show. Senior Ola Hamid, who got accepted into the University of San Francisco, intends to major in architecture, not psychology, and minor in women's studies. Well, that's all we have for today, Titans. As always, I'm Karina Solorzano, and you've been watching Everyday Titan. Peace.